Hello everyone, Khushbu this side and I am gonna share with you today Forever Living's products marketing plan in English so that you can understand how we can earn in this platform. Okay, so first of all I request you to, if you want complete information about this platform, do not skip this video. I just request you to, if you want to complete information, do not skip this video. Okay, so without any delay, I just start this video. Okay, so if you want to start the business with Forever Living products, you must have to complete your registration process. For registration process, your age should be 18 plus. Okay, what is the required document for your registration? Your Aadhaar card, PAN card, email ID, mobile number, mother name. If you have driving license or voter ID card, you can also register yourself. Okay, two types of people come in Forever Living products. First one is customer, second one is business partner. So how you can become customer level? When you register yourself, your level is customer level. And for business partner, if you want to start business with us, you must have to complete your business partner level, that is AS level, assistant supervisor. Okay, for business partner level, you must have to complete your 2CC. What is 2CC? And actually first we have to understand what is CC. CC means common currency. Company gives some points to their products for calculation of their profit. Actually, Forever Living is working more than 165 plus countries. And countries has their own currency, own taxes. So that's why company give their products to points, some points. Okay. Example, suppose one bottle of shampoo, company give 100 points. If we buy 10 bottle of shampoo, how much point will be calculated? That is 1000 point. It means 1cc complete. If we buy 20 bottle of shampoo, 2000 point completed, 2cc complete. In Indian currency, 1cc value, that is 17,500 rupees to 18,000. And 2cc value, that is 35,000 to 36,000. If a company gives you 2 consecutive months and told you if you give transaction in 2 consecutive months, 36,000, you are assistant supervisor. 2cc is completed. Okay, suppose that October to November, if you complete your 1cc in October month and November month, your 1cc. 1cc, 2 consecutive month, 2cc, it means 2cc completed. Okay, so let's understand there is some level of Forever Living products. Now customer level, assistant supervisor level, assistant manager and manager level. And this is the dream level of Forever Living products. Every person in Forever Living business, they want to achieve this level, manager level. Okay, so first level, let's come to this level, novice customer, and also we call it preferred customer. Company give discount up to 5%. There is no personal bonus. Company give 25% as a new joining bonus. Okay. Second one is assistant supervisor level. If you complete 2cc in 2 consecutive months, your level, that is assistant supervisor level. What is the benefit in assistant supervisor level? You will get up to 30% discount as a instant discount, and also personal bonus. There is 5% and 25% as a new joining bonus. Okay. Supervisor, suppose that how much you can earn in assistant supervisor level. Okay, if suppose that if you are an assistant supervisor, you will complete your 2cc and if you recruit one person who complete their 2cc, you will get 8,000 rupees per person. If you recruit 4 person, so you can calculate this 8,000 rupees per person. So 4 person, your amount, your income will be 32,000. Okay, this is the assistant supervisor benefit, new joining bonus. Okay, second one is supervisor level, and 2 consecutive months. If you complete your 25cc with your whole team, you are qualified supervisor level. Okay, what is the benefit of supervisor level? You will get up to 30% discount, same as it, and personal bonus 8%. There is 5% right now in assistant supervisor level, but in supervisor level, your personal bonus will increase 8%. Your new joining bonus also increase 33%. Suppose that you can see this, how you can earn in this supervisor level. Yeah, suppose that if you recruit 1%, you will get 33%. It means 9,900 rupees per person. If you recruit 3 people, so your amount will be 29,700 rupees. If you recruit 4 people, that your amount will be 39,600 rupees. In our same as well, assistant manager level, your discount same as it is 30% discount. Your personal bonus will be increased 13%. Your new joining bonus, that is 38%. Okay, so same as well, 38. If you recruit 1%, you will get 38% for 1%. That is amount will be 11,400. If you recruit 2 people only, you will get 11,400 per person. It means 22,800 rupees. If you recruit 4 people, you will get 45,600 rupees. And now let's come to the manager level. This is the dream level of every FBO's status. If let's come to this level. Okay, your discount will be same as it is 30%. Your personal bonus will be increased 18%, and your new joining bonus, that is 43%. Okay, isn't amazing? Like your discount, I can say almost 48%. This is the personal bonus. It will come with your payout income. Okay, let's understand how you can earn in manager level more than 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so passive income of manager level. New joining bonus level, that if you recruit 1 person new joining, so that you will get 43%. Okay, if a manager recruit only 2 people, new people, okay, 1 person, he will get 12,900 rupees per person. So if he recruit 2 people, how much money he will get? 25,800 rupees. Okay, and of course, if a manager, of course, they have their already AS team. So AS team, assistant supervisor team, he will get, if only 1 AS, what is the turnover of 1 AS? Worst case, he will only recruit 1 person. It means 30,000. He give only 30,000 turnover. 13% of 30,000, approx 4,000 rupees. And if a manager who has their 1 AS, definitely only not 1 AS, he has also so many AS. Suppose that if a manager, he has only 10 AS in their team, and if he get 4,000 rupees per AS, so 10 AS in their team, so how much money he will get? 40,000 rupees. Okay, in a supervisor level, the minimum turnover of that is 2 lakh rupees. And what is how much money he will get the manager? How much money will get in supervisor team? 10%. It means 2 lakh 10%, that is 20,000. And if a manager who has there only 2 supervisor in their team, it means 40,000 rupees. And if a manager, he has also assistant manager in their team, and what is the turnover of assistant manager level? That is 3 lakh rupees. And 5% of 3 lakh rupees, that is 15,000. If only 1 assistant manager in manager team, that is 15,000 of, that is 15,000 rupees. You can calculate this all amount, that is 1,20,800 rupees. So that's why we told that a manager who can earn more than 1 lakh rupees in a single month. Okay, so now this is not the end of Forever Living products. You can also check it that company also give car plan. What is car plan? Company give, apart from their monthly income, include this amount for and in this amount you can purchase your car also. And if you do not want to purchase your car, you can utilize whenever you want. This is totally up to you. Okay, so if you achieve level 1, company give 26,000 rupees per month. Not only 1 month, 36 months. It means 3 years. Okay, and if you complete your level 2, you will get 39,000 rupees per month. It means continuously 36 months, 3 years. Also level 3 same as well, but 52,000. The amount will be increased. Okay, and if you believe, if you like trip and tours, then this is the good news for you. Company gives 2 international trips, Global Rally, Eagle Manager Retreat. Okay, and company also give you a domestic trip, manage a retreat. So this is the benefit that you can understand in this platform. Okay.